Optimizing real estate investments through data analytics insight. By Dr. Pooyan Ghamari. This crucial evolution, fueled by data analytics and taking advantage of the rich landscape which is now available to us in terms of testing different metrics. Data analytics, once a niche within certain industries, has become an indispensable part of real estate and is affording investors unprecedented advantages. I have experienced as a Swiss economist myself that data analytics are becoming vital to property investment for better decision-making with minimized risks and maximized returns. Impact of big data in real estate investment. Data analytics is the in-depth analysis of raw data to extract valuable insights which would help companies make better decisions based on evidence rather than intuition. This involves comparing market trends, valuing land or property, considering demographic movements and projecting future developments in the world of real estate investment. Using data analytics, investors can outperform the market and they make intelligent investment decisions. Advantages of data analytics in property investment. Identifying market trends. Investors can evaluate the current market trends with data analytics. Future trends can be predicted through retrospective trend analysis and local market environment, enabling you to make educated investment decisions in advance. That may mean pinpointing new and emerging neighborhoods poised for growth with data that helps investors buy low and sell high. Precise property valuation. Property valuation is essential as it helps you in taking better property investment decisions. Data analytics and an in-depth understanding of location, size, age, and recent sales activity for comparable properties allow us to value any property. This data serves to prevent investors from overpaying and lets them invest in properties that have the most potential for return. Risk mitigation. Investors are aware that property investing is risky as each investment an individual makes has a different risk associated with it. Real estate data analysis will continue to help investors pick good suburbs or streets within their living area. Crime rates, economic stability, and vulnerability to natural disasters can all be measures used when considering a potential investment for safety and long-term financial gain. Demographic analysis. One of the most powerful weapons in property investment happens to be demographic data. Investors will need to consider trends in population growth, income, and employment when determining where demand for housing is rising. This is especially beneficial for rental property investments since it helps with catering to the best tenant demographics. Optimizing rental income. With numbers crunching through data analytics, being able to command the best rents for rental-specific properties. Investors can set their rent price, maximize income when they are engaged with market rental trends, vacancy rates sliced together for tenants' preferences. Predictive insights. Some of the best examples for predictive analytics are already in use, found among those forecasting future outcomes based on historical data. This can include forecasting capital growth of a property, rental return expansion when, or if, there are dark clouds on the horizon for that market. With this foresight, investors can also take strategic action, investing or divesting at the best time order, achieve optimal returns. Using data analytics in your investment plan. Here are some steps to get the best from data analytics incorporated as an inherent part of property investment strategies. Collect relevant data. Collect important information from a valid data source such as property databases, government records, real estate market reports, economic indicators. The data will need accurate, current, possible you make more informed decisions. Utilize analytical tools. There are various data analytics tools that investors can use, analyze, interpret information. These include platforms such as predictive analytics tools, geographic information systems, GIS, market analysis software. Engage with experts. While data analytics helps identifying factors contributing successful investment networks, real estate professionals, analysts, or even financial advisors further validate cross-reference findings. Such experts on other side provide more depth analysis, help interpret complex data, make quite complex, continuously monitor, adjust. The real estate market always changes, so you need keep updated current. Ultimately investors need review historical becomes available, adjust their strategy, conditions change. With process of property investment decision-making elevated through data analytics, investors now have access key insights enable them make more informed investments strategically profitably within framework changing real estate markets, making strategic use key step, overcoming obstacles, highly competitive industry, leading your company its way out. The answer lies adoption datalytics, which gives property investors chance turn raw into actionable insights, making better investment decisions, resulting eventually higher financial returns. This not only increases investment returns but also breeds more flexible, collaborative approach investing.